Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Myntra haul video. So Myntra sale is going on and they have like 50 to 80% off. I did pick up a couple of things in the previous sale, so I thought I'd show you guys. All of these are still on sale, and I did post a lot of recommendations on my Instagram, so do check out my Instagram like on highlights as Myntra sale. I've put up a lot of products which are on sale, so do check out that as well. In this video I have a lot of things from Myntra, and I did pick up some other festive and wedding wear from other Instagram pages and some other places as well. So I'll show you guys everything, and it's going to be really exciting because I have some really beautiful pieces to show you guys. I hope you guys are excited. Let's begin. The first kurta that I want to show you guys, it is from Sangria. So I got this in the recent Myntra sale, and it's a very beautiful fabric. It's a light lemon yellow. I thought it'll be a little bit darker, but nevertheless it looks so beautiful. So let me show you guys a closer look. It has gold print all over. So I'll just zoom it a little bit more. So it has gold print all over, and basically this is the lemon yellow, but I just give you guys a closer look so you can see. So it has this gold print all over, like on hands and the neck. Here it has button detailing, and it has flare from here, and the entire dress has this gold print. I'll show you guys how it looks like when I wear it. I think I have one or two pictures already. So it's a very beautiful one. It was priced quite decently during the sales. I got it. I'll try and put the prices here because I don't remember a lot of them, and I really like the fabric. It's very soft. I had a village trip, so I thought, you know, because it's going to be sultry in my village, I thought this would be like a little comfortable. And also yellow is like always good. I did think it will be a little darker, but yeah, nevertheless it's so pretty. You can wear it as a dress also. If you're going to wear it as a dress, you might need a slip. If you're wearing it like a kurta, then new lingerie with basic trousers and dupatta would do. It's not that transparent. So I thought I'll wear it in purple. I have a purple Banaras dupatta. I recently got it from Amazon. So this is the purple dupatta. So I thought, you know, this color combination would look really pretty. Although even yellow on yellow would look good. You can also wear it like with pink. Just look at this, even pink and yellow sort of looks really good. So even the purple combination is lovely, and even this pink and yellow also looks good. I think I'll get yellow leggings as well. I've seen Prisma at Sharat City Mall. I don't know if it's online, but they seem to have like all the pastel colors, so I did not get enough time to pick it up, but I think I'll get it in this color. Then you can pair it with any color dupatta. So this dupatta has like gold and silver detailing. Like all over here it has that kurta detailing, and here also it has like beautiful weaving in gold and silver. I've done a whole video on dupattas that I picked up recently, so you can check that out. I'll show this in detail, so I'm not going to go into this now, but I'll link that video, so check it out. This also was in one more video. I got this from a local store. This is a Banaras paithani dupatta. So the local store here is called Misammma handlooms. If you're from Hyderabad, of course you can go get it. I'll link that video as well. I've done a whole review and I've shown a lot of collection from misammma handlooms. It's in Nizampet road. So anyway, I thought it would look really nice wearing with this. Although the kurta is simple, the baby pink is so pretty. It has all this detailing. I think I got this dupatta for like about 1600 or something like that. I've shown it in detail in that video, so you can check it out. And also if you're looking for like Banaras dupattas, then you can check out my website. It's called Priyanka Boppana official.com. So there's a lot of beautiful Banarasi dupatta collection. So if you're looking for like a contrast Banarasi dupatta, you can check out my website as well. I price them very affordably, and they're like Katan silk dupattas, and they're like normal Banarasi silk dupattas, which are priced a little lower as well. So you'll find a lot of different variety there as well. Do check it out. Next up we have one more pastel color. So I got the same thing earlier in a baby pink or like a onion pink. So I got this in a blue. So this is also very nice, like a sea blue kind of a shade. This is from Libas. So Libas has a new curvy brand called Extra Love by Libas. So they have all these straight cut kurtas, and I thought this one was very you know, pleasant and beautiful. It has a little gold detailing here, and it has like all sequin detailing. It's exactly the same as the onion pink kurta. So both the colors are very beautiful. I just couldn't stop with one, and also they were on like a huge sale. I think normally they priced much higher, but during sale I got it for like I think 700-800. I got a couple of things from Libas, the Extra Love by Libas. I'll link that Myntra video in the description box. So I've shown like 4-5 kurtas from Extra Love by Libas. Do check them out if you're looking for like curvy brands. Then this is great. So I thought I'll pair this with this dupatta. This is a floral printed dupatta. It's from Narsingh. My sister-in-law gifted this to me for I think Varalakshmi Ratam. So this was the return gift. So coincidentally, it's the exact same color. It has floral print all over and it has a little bit of silver detailing here. I think this is from the Narsingh Gachibowli, but you'll get them, you'll get really beautiful dupattas in Narsingh's all branches, and they're priced like quite affordably. They have different price ranges. You'll get dupattas starting from about 700. Banarasi dupattas or like fancy dupattas like this go from like 10 to 1500, and you even have like paithani dupattas, bandhani pure silk dupattas, and even ikat dupattas which go up to like 3000 or 4000. So you'll find dupattas of different price ranges there. You can check out that as well if you're from here. I think they have a website as well if you're not from Hyderabad. So yeah, look at this. I thought it will go perfectly well. These are Georgette off-white palazzos, the very like wide-legged flowy palazzos. So this was the one that I showed in my previous video. I showed a lot of beautiful chikankari kurtas and sarees at a very affordable price, mostly under 1000. So in that video I was wearing this with the peplum top, and a lot of you guys had asked for the link. I've shown this before in my Myntra hauls and Amazon hauls, so I think I forgot to link it. So this is the one. It has like a really wide-legged palazzo. So it's very flowy, almost looks like a skirt, and this is the waist part. It has like a really good elastic, and this is in the size XXL, and it's from the brand Just Wow. I think I either got it from like Flipkart or Amazon or Myntra much earlier. Like it's been a couple of years and I still wear it, and the quality is so good. If you find this in your size, I think you should definitely get it in like 1 or 2 colors because it lasts really long and it hasn't changed colors or anything. I got this in off-white and it remains good and can be worn on like any peplum tops, or you can even wear it on your sort of western or Indo-western wear as well. So very good one. So do grab this. Next up we have this gorgeous kurta from truebrowns. So this is in 5XL. It's a little loose because I think I should have gone like 1 or 2 sizes down, but I wasn't very sure. Also I thought I'll wear it as a jacket, so I got it in like a bigger size. So this is available in pink and red, pink and orange, and like different colors, color combinations. So I got it in pink and red because I have like pants in both red and pink. I thought I could wear it that way, and it sort of opens up here, so you can wear it. It doubles as a jacket as well. It is sort of knee length, so this is what it looks like at the bottom. Here also you'll see different colors like red and pink, and here it opens up. You can remove this button and style it like a jacket as well. So this is what it is, and it is really good fabric. I think it is silk or raw silk. Sort of looks like and feels like raw silk. I'm not very sure. You can check the description on truebrowns, and this one is available on Myntra right now for I think 30% off. So if you've been eyeing something from truebrowns, now is the time to get it. So I also got it during some sale. So this one is really nice. You can wear it for like weddings and like smaller occasions. You can wear it, style it like an Indo-Western suit. You can wear pink pants, and you can style it with like some contemporary jewelry. So I did wear it with dupatta before. Like I styled it just as it is and layer some neck pieces, and it would look really nice. Or you can wear something inside like a slip of a different color and wear this as a jacket. So I think it would look very elegant, and they do have a lot of pieces on sale right now, so you should definitely check out this brand. If you're looking for something in wedding wear that's versatile, then this is something you can definitely try. So I have worn this with like red or pink dupattas also before, but you can style it like Indo-Western as well. On that note, I'll show you a dupatta which I got. This is such a stunning dupatta, you guys. It's a recent purchase of mine. I got this from an Instagram store because I was showing a pink kurta I thought, you know, I'll show you guys. You can style it with like a Banarasi dupatta like this also. It will look very, very classy. But you can wear it as it is also. So this dupatta is from an Instagram store. I think it's about 1500 or 1700. So this is a new Instagram store that I've tried. It's called Navratri.in, and I've tried it before Dussehra. I've been meaning to show this and it just got away. But look at this lotus detailing, you guys. All this is weaving. It's not print. So it is a Banarasi paithani dupatta, or like a fancy paithani dupatta. So all this is weaving. You can see the backside of it. It's kind of very neat and nice, but at the same time it's like very, very affordable. It has lotuses all over and this paithani style detailing. Throughout the dupatta it has all these little motifs. This is the border. The entire border has these detailing, and this is the bottom part. Has very beautiful lotuses. I have been eyeing such dupattas in original paithani from a long time, but of course they're like very, very expensive. So I thought, you know, I'll try this, and it actually gives a very, very classy look, and it looks so bright and beautiful because it's a bright pink. You can style it with like purple or green or even lighter colors as well, like off-white or cream. You can style it with pink. I have recently styled it with a pink anarkali from W. I've shown that kurta also in my previous Myntra haul, but nevertheless I'll link it below. You can check it out. Even that one's a very, very good one. So I'll leave a series of my Myntra hauls. You can check those out. You will find a lot of really good outfits in all of those. So I'll link that as well. So this one I wanted to review and show you guys because it's an Instagram page and I thought this is a really good find. So this is today's Myntra haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. All of the links will be in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So do subscribe to this channel and my Telugu channel as well, and do find me on Instagram. I post a lot of Myntra sale recommendations there as well, and a lot of mini hauls and styling videos too. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.